Thank you for being here. We are here today because we are Eurobiomed coordinating a European project. Maybe you have heard of it, maybe not. I will mention it a little bit. We have today to host this meeting Jeff here with us. He will be hosting the whole thing. I'm just here to introduce this morning. So briefly, because most of you here present in the room know already Eurobiomed cluster, but I'll still introduce it. So we are what we call a cluster at the European level, but in France it's called a competitiveness pole. We are a half public and a half private organization. We are actually an association, and our goal is to make a link between all the health tech ecosystem in southern France. We cover two regions, Provence-Alpes-Côte d'Azur and Occitanie, and we gather around 400 members, either mostly SMEs from any kind of health tech business. And there are also big universities, hospitals, and many research institutes. We have several jobs. Our main missions are to help people innovate in health tech. And we try to not stay focused on our small local regions, but we try to create links at the European and also the international levels, creating through collaborations with either clusters or companies, and large companies if possible. So we have on our roadmap today a very large panel of topics. It goes from the prevention and prediction of diseases until the follow-up of the patients. And we cover several axes, which are diagnosis, medical devices, drugs, and digital health, which is mostly everything. And we have identified 5 big major technologies that are for which people are working on in our ecosystem, and these are immunotechnology, genetic and genomics, regenerative medicine, imaging, of course, and the last one is digital. It was very hard to find a word to describe this technology, because we said it's all around about big data and artificial intelligence or machine learning. It's everything that can be digital in health. I wanted to briefly mention all the different missions that we have as the team of Eurobiomed, and we have a job that is all about events, animation, networking, creating connection between people. So we do that all year long through very small or bigger events. There is also, I'm also part of the team which tries to help our members to obtain public fundings for their R&D projects. And there is also a team, and Salim is here to represent this team, to help people with their private fundings. So we try our best to help health projects, innovative projects rise and get funds in many ways possible. So now this European project, and that's why we're here today. Actually, we won. It started last year, a little bit more than a year ago. It's a European project called AI4DIAG. It's a COSME project. COSME means that it's meant to raise competitiveness for SMEs. And through this project, we are 5, in the consortium, we are 5 health clusters all around Europe. So there is Our Health, Flanders Bio, the Estonian Technopole, and TLS, Tuscany Life Sciences, which are there online today. And all of the 5 clusters are trying their best to help SMEs from the medical diagnostics to foster the challenge of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, it's a big word for which means actually a lot of things. So we use this word here in the project because it looks nice, but behind there are a lot more content. So the idea is to make SMEs realize, understand, or take bigger steps towards everything that is about either big data or machine learning, and that could help the company get more competitive on the market because they provide better services or products. Actually, today we've been hearing a lot about artificial intelligence. It's a big buzz, and it's said to be the new technology, and the health market is supposed to have a very big potential with this technology. So we are here to try to raise awareness towards our ecosystem about this technology and just try to discuss what can we do, what have you been trying to do for now, do you have some questions, and how can we help mostly. So we've been organizing some events all during the whole project, which started in October 2018. We had a launching event last year, and now we are at this period where we have 5 workshops. We are having one right now with specific topics. So, hi. So there is 2 took place already. The first one about privacy, legal and ethical aspects, which was held by TLS, and AI technology in Estonia. Actually, all of these workshops are physical, like here. You can come and meet us and present your projects. You can also follow them online, and they are recorded because it's then uploaded on our YouTube channel of the project. So the idea is to make it more available as possible to as many companies as possible. So today we are having this workshop to talk about strategy and business model, which is a huge deal because, of course, it's good to understand what is AI, how can it help us health tech, but it's also very important to understand how we can make money with it. Because, of course, when you have your health companies, you have some goals to make, maybe create some products or services on the market, always to have a better cure or follow-up or prevention prediction tool for patients. But as entrepreneurs, I think it's very, very important to think about strategy and to learn and to understand how you can make a great business with your company. So today we are not here to discuss technology, we are here to discuss strategy and business. Here is the almost likewise agenda we will have, because it will maybe not be in this order, but it's okay. We will make our best. Stephanie is here, I think, online, so she will start because she couldn't be here with us today.